Welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, I've been reading selections from the words of Pope Francis for our reflection and meditation. They're taken from a book entitled The Spirit of St. Francis, Inspiring Words from Pope Francis. It's a beautiful book, and it's available for purchase on Amazon in case you might be interested in reading more of the words of Pope Francis. Today, I have just a brief selection to offer, which is called Oppose Evil with Good, with Pardon. And it goes like this. To love someone who doesn't love us, it's not easy. Because if we know that a person doesn't like us, then we also tend to bear ill will. But no, we must love even someone who doesn't love us, opposing evil with good, with pardon, with sharing, with welcome. Thanks to Jesus and to his Spirit, even our life becomes bread broken for our brothers. And living like this, we discover true joy. The joy of making of oneself a gift, of reciprocating the great gift that we have first received without merit of our own. Thank you so much for watching and listening today, and have a great Saturday.